Analytical Thinking and Problem-Solving Skills Underlying Competency Development Series for the Business Analysis. Over the course of this presentation, we will be discussing the relationship between facilitation and communication in order to teach you more about the underlying competency of analytical thinking and problem solving in order to grow and develop this necessary skill as a business analyst. A business analyst that demonstrates effective analytical skills can focus on the facts and evidence, break down data or information, and analyze complex things into simpler pieces, analyze trends, or the analysis of change over time. A business analyst must work with a group of people during various meetings to bring about an outcome while providing indirect or unobtrusive assistance, guidance, or supervision. As a business analyst, when in a meeting, the ability to facilitate the group and push them to think outside of the box or from an analytical thinking point of view is imperative in the group's ability to achieve solutions that are actionable and realistic. As a business analyst, you will have many opportunities to facilitate team meetings. Effective problem-solving skill is a crucial skill, and possessing this skill can make a huge difference to your career. In your role, problems are at the center of what you do every day. You're solving problems for a client, supporting through facilitation those who are solving problems or discovering new problems to solve. There are many techniques one can use in problem solving, both creatively and analytically. Creative thinking and problem-solving myths. Every problem only has one solution. The goal of problem-solving is to solve the problem, and most problems can be solved in any number of ways. The best answer or solution method has already been found. Look at history of any solution set and you'll see that improvements, new solutions, and right answers have always been found. Creative answers are complex technology, and ideas either come or they don't. Nothing will help. As we've discussed, there are many successful techniques for stimulating idea generation. Group brainstorming is a classic idea generating tool that is often misused. A well-managed group brainstorming session can be a useful way of generating solutions to problems. During the brainstorming process, there is no criticism of ideas, and free rein is given to people's creativity. This tends to make the group brainstorming sessions more enjoyable experiences and are great for brainstorming and bringing teams together. While using group brainstorming, it also helps people to commit to solutions because they have participated in the development of those solutions. Creativity is an attitude. This attitude involves the ability to accept change and newness, a willingness to play with ideas and possibilities, a flexibility of outlook, and the habit of enjoying the good while looking for ways to improve it. Unfortunately, we are socialized into accepting only a small number of permitted or normal things. How to encourage problem solving and analytical thinking. Creative people want to know things, all kinds of things, and not always for any specific reason. Challenge. Creative people like to identify and challenge assumptions behind ideas, proposals, problems, beliefs, and statements. Many assumptions, of course, turn out to be quite necessary and solid. A genuine belief that most problems can be solved. The ability to suspend judgment and criticism. Seeing the good and the bad. We easily fall into either thinking and believing that a bad solution is bad through and through in every aspect. Creative thinkers, on the other hand, when faced with poor solutions, don't simply cast them away in their entirety. They find the good and useful in even the worst ideas. Problems may lead to improvements, and a problem may also be seen as a solution. Problems are interesting and emotionally acceptable. Ask why. Sleep on it. Talk it over with someone that has nothing to do with the situation. Pick up any object at random and say, "This item contains the key to solving problems." Use similes. Open a dictionary and take any noun at random. Ponder the issue and then go for a walk around. Draw a picture of the situation, showing the people and the issues in simple cartoon styles while facilitating and utilizing problem-solving skills to overcome a challenge. No one is born with this skill. So how do we get it? Through practice, experience, and review to develop that competency over time. As a future business analyst, think about facing challenging problems with the skills taught in this presentation. Be mindful of any group or interactions that you have and apply these skills taught to overcome and face challenges or problems with an analytical and creative mindset.